What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to take your videos from looking like this to looking like this. Let's go. Alright guys, so what I'm using as my key light right now is the AL-MX Aputure light, and this is the second generation. So I'm just gonna grab it here just to show you guys. So I'm gonna turn off my key light just so you guys can see the difference. So right here, it's with no key light at all. It's just the backlights that I have that I'll get into a second, which is pretty much this little guy right here. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. This thing is small, and it is, but just take a look at this. Look at how different it just makes the shot. And right here, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has 4 small blue LEDs, and that pretty much tells you how much battery the light has. Now this thing is super portable. Like honestly, if I was to compare with my phone, this is the light, this is my phone. Smaller than my phone. So you could pretty much take this anywhere. So now I'm gonna set the key light back over here. Make sure I got it right. Which I like it because it comes with a small diffuser. So you see right here, this is with the diffuser. This is without the diffuser. So just notice how much harsh the light is in my face. I just put this diffuser on and it makes my skin look much more smooth. And it's just, honestly, you can't beat the price for this. Let me turn it off and show you guys the LEDs that are here. So look at these LEDs, and the awesome part is that you can switch the warm and cold of it. So if you want warm, you got warm. If you want it cold, you can get it cold. If you want a booster, look at that. Like, it honestly doesn't get any better than this. Yep, honestly, this is like the best purchase you can ever make. All right, so with the Aputure light, it's pretty cool. You get this awesome carrying case. All right, so, and then it's pretty cool because it comes with dividers inside. The good thing about this light is that it charges via USB-C, which, you know, if you have like a MacBook Pro, you're pretty much set. So yeah, and then it also comes with 3M tape or stickers. That's so that pretty much you could put it behind the light, and then you could just stick it somewhere. Like if I wanted to just stick it right here, so it could be aiming at me, it's perfect. It also comes with, now correct me if I'm wrong, with another diffuser, I guess, just in case you break this one or you misplace it. But yeah, and other than that, I think it comes with some rubber bands, which I don't know what you'll use them for, but I don't really use those rubber bands. But now the cool part with this light is that if you have gels, you can put the gels under the diffuser and it'll honestly change the perspective of your shot. So let me show you what that looks like. All right guys, and now this is what this light can do with an orange gel light. So yeah, you can see the texture in my face. It might be a little harsh right now, so you can dim it the way you want it to look. But honestly, I like the look. If you have gels, you can put the gel on the light and you can fix that on your white balance. So like for example, right here is a little bit warmer, and if I want it back cooler, you just put it back up to cool. So you could see how good it looks on your face. All right, and now for my backlights. Like honestly, before I got this, these were my key lights. But I'm pretty sure, as you guys know, when you enter the filmmaking world, everything is like super expensive. So I couldn't afford a key light. I mean, this is not the main key light that I want to use, but you know, it's the one I'm using for now, and honestly, it's great. Like, you can't beat the price on this. But so what I'm using for my backlights are the Philips Hue White and Color Ambience A9 Bluetooth Smart LED bulbs. So which are these over here? Now, I actually got this cheap light that I think was like $30, but I don't know, because I stole it from my mom. And then I just bought the bulbs, and I just, you know, put them in there, and you select the colors and how bright you want it and how not bright you want it. It all depends on your taste. Now I'm gonna show you guys how it looks just with the key light, but I'm gonna turn these bulbs off. So this is just with the key light. So as you can see, the key light, I mean, again, this light is the best of the best, but you can see without a backlight, there's like I feel like it depends on the emotion you want to project. If you want to project like a lonely emotion, this is definitely what you want to do. But if you want to create like the typical video where everything looks good and lit and you have no shadows in the back, then that's when you would turn on these backlights. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn these back on. So yeah, now they're back on. So yeah guys, like honestly, you really can't beat the price. I know it's $149 and it's pretty much like a lot of money, but you honestly can't beat it. Like if I wanted to take it off the rig and put it on top of the camera and vlog with it in the middle of the night, I would have no issues doing that because it's portable, it's chargeable. You could take it wherever you want. You could just put it in your camera bag. It comes with a case, it's gonna be protected. So yeah, pretty much that was the main purpose of this video, to show you guys how to light your videos kind of in a budget. Not really, I mean $149 for a light is pretty expensive, but if you were just to get 2 hue lights, the Philip Hue lights in the back, and then if you had one right here, now it's not gonna have a diffuser, so it's gonna be a lot harder on your skin, but if you get a diffuser like a small one, it'll be great. If you guys look in my past videos, you guys can see how the light was really harsh on my skin because I didn't have a diffuser for the light, but now you guys can see how this is really a game changer. All right guys, so that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys got something good out of it. So let me know what you think. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, whether it's, you know, smartphones or video gear, either one. This is what this channel is all about. I'm gonna leave my Instagram down in the description below, so follow me. You guys can shoot me any ideas that you guys want to see. If you guys want to collaborate, let me know if you're in the Boston area. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.